Let's install Java 17 on Windows 10. First thing we're gonna do is to check if we already have Java. To do that, we're gonna open up command prompt. You can open up command prompt like this, and then we're gonna type Java -version. And if Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, then you don't have a Java. Then now, let's install Java. Open up your favorite web browser and we're gonna type JDK download. And click on this Java Downloads Oracle. And if you scroll down, and we're gonna click Windows, and we're gonna download this guy here. Okay, download is done. Click on this, and we're going to go over this. We're gonna install Java. And then this is where Java is installed. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, -17. This is where Java is going to be installed. Next. And then Java is successfully installed. Close. And what we're gonna do is to actually check out where Java is actually installed. Let's open up File Explorer, C drive, program files, and Java. Now we have Java. However, in order to actually use Java, we have to do something more. So let's just check out this folder. Java, JDK, and as you can see, there's a binary file. This bin means this is binary file. So it means this whole thing is a program. This whole thing is necessary things to run Java. So what we're gonna do is click on this part and copy and paste this path for Java bin folder. Copy and paste this guy. We're gonna tell our computer, hey, actually Java binary file is here. So whenever I want to use Java, go take a look at this folder. So that's what we're gonna do. So in order to do that, hit the window keys, type settings, and then it opens up the setting, and type environment. And then you see edit the system environment variables. Click on that. And then we have this system properties window here, and click on environment variables here. And then now you see two panels, user variables for me and system variables. What we care is here, system variables. And then you're gonna find this path system variable. And then paste the path of Java binary folder. Okay? Hit OK, and then hit OK, and then hit OK. Now we told our computer where the Java binary file actually is. Let's open up again. Command prompt, and then Java version. Now our computer knows where Java is, and this is not done. Okay, now let's actually set Java home. So it seems like computer knows where the Java is, but why do we have to set up Java home? Other softwares sometimes need Java. Maybe you're into programming, you're learning some web framework or something like that. All the tools, Java related framework library needs to know where the Java is. We're gonna take care of that part. In order to do that, let's open up File Explorer again. So again, Java, JDK, and we're gonna only copy and paste. Don't go to bin. We're gonna copy and paste this path. So copy and paste only up until JDK 17, and then we're gonna go to the settings again, and then type environment variable, and edit the system environment variables, and then environment variables here, and from system variables, click new, and Java home, and copy and paste, hit OK, and then hit OK, hit OK, and then now you're done. If you're trying to play a game, have fun, if you're trying to learn Java programming language, good luck and have fun learning Java. Yeah, so this was really simple, short video. Hopefully this was helpful. If this was helpful, please subscribe my channel and click on that bell button so whenever I upload, you don't miss out my new videos. Alright, see you guys next time.